Hello, and welcome to another episode of our Financial Literacy series. My name is Cosette White with White Tax Services, and today I want to share with you a little bit of information about clearing out our clutter. Now, in the Financial Literacy series, we're talking about getting our finances in order. But in order to get the finances in order, we have to clear off all the clutter that's sitting in front of us. Because if we don't, it's just another stumbling block to prevent us from getting to where it is that we want to get to. So you ask, what is it that I really need to keep? What type of documents that I need to keep? Well, first of all, you want to make sure that you keep any documents as they pertains to your house, loans, car notes, things of that nature. Canceled checks. You can keep your canceled checks no more than a year. Don't keep them any more than a year unless you are a business owner and you need them for for income tax purposes. But other than that, you don't need to keep canceled checks. Nowadays, you can go online and you can reprint that information, and that's another way to not kill the trees as well, okay? Receipts. Receipts that you get from the grocery store, we can discard those. Those you don't need to keep unless you're keeping them once again for tax purposes. And if you're keeping documents for tax purposes, then I say keep them for at least 3 years. After that, you want to discard. Now keep in mind, when I say discard, before you just take everything and dump it in the trash, you want to use a shredder. Nowadays, identity theft is extremely high, and that is the last thing you want is for someone to get access to your records, and then before you know it, they're out getting credit cards and using your identity, and then you're shot. Okay? So just keep that in mind. Invest in a shredder, or they do have recycling bins at different locations throughout the months where you can accumulate everything and then just take it over to the various recycling centers. But I say check your neighborhood, local newspaper for a recycling center on things such as that. Other documents that you want to maintain, wills, trust, birth certificates, passports. Those are things that you want to keep indefinitely. You never want to throw those types of things away. Now, of course, some of them may have an expiration, the passport, an expiration date on them, but of course you can take care of that accordingly as the law states. Other than that, the key thing is to clear out all the clutter before you get started, because I guarantee you, if you don't, it's just going to be a roadblock for you. Okay? So if you have questions regarding this or any matters as it pertains to our financial literacy series, I encourage you to reach us at www.whitetaxservices.com, or you can reach us at Facebook, on Facebook at facebook.com/White Tax Services LLC. And remember, this is our year to be fierce, fabulous, and financially fit. Until our next episode, you have a great one.